So we got a customer with a Kwikset smart lock. They lost the key to this thing, so we're going to rebuild it. We're going to be putting a new plug in there in its place. We could be replacing the whole deadbolt, but this will work just as good. So let's get to it. There's the back of the lock. We got a little clip here that holds it in place. That has to come out. This guy comes out. This guy comes out. New guy goes in. Just like that. We put the little clip back in its place. And this guy's been rebuilt. Now we have a working key. Just like that.